We are a big family who always loves to eat out, more on special occasions. We always want to celebrate and create memories together. Thus, the daily demands of the fast-paced lifestyle made us choose restaurants that offer a variety of meals that serve the fast food way. Hello fellow food trippers! Please join us for an eat-all-you-can at Meatsumo, where Seoul meets Tokyo, serving unlimited Korean dishes with Japanese fusion food at the second level of SM City Valenzuela. Meatsumo has 14 unlimited samgyeopsal o pork, beef, Japanese sausage and garlic scallops, which is best for people who load up on protein meat. Diners order the food on a menu list, and waitstaff serves it fast at the table. The unlimited raw meat slices are properly served chilled. The unlimited menu includes 26 choices of side dishes like chicken or pork kind, such as Karaage, Yangyeom, buffalo and soy garlic, seafood calamari, Ebi Tempura, Temaki, California Maki, spicy Dilis, Kani Salad, steamed egg, sweet potato chips, Pajeon, Pamuchim, cheese corn, Japchae, Kimchi, cheese, and the Hot Miso Soup complemented the mouth-watering meals. considered our second and third servings thoughtfully to enjoy every grilled meat and cooked side dish on the menu and to prevent food wastage. If you want a place to dine with fast and attentive service at a reasonable eat-all-you-can price of 599 net per person, including unlimited iced tea drinks, come to Meatsumo, the perfect place for gathering friends, family, and loved ones for a fantastic food indulgence with generous servings that satisfy your samgyeopsal cravings and Japanese favorites. You will all live with a happy heart and a full happy tummy. For reservations, birthdays, and other promos, please call 0966 892 5520. See you on our next food trip at Four Seasons Buffet and Hot Pot by Vikings at the SM Mall of Asia. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Thank you for watching!